Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Paint's current language, and that Windows has the right language pack installed. This avoids surprises. Open Paint, then open Settings Time and Language to verify the desired language is listed and installed. If it isn't, add it now and choose Install Language Pack. Make sure to include text-to-speech and speech if offered. Once done, sign in with an administrator account so system-level changes can apply correctly and close other apps to prevent file conflicts. Now you change the system display language so Paint inherits it. Go to Settings Time and Language, select the installed language, then choose Set as Display Language. Move it to the top of the preferred languages list if necessary. For some versions, open Control Panel Region Administrative Copy Settings to apply to welcome screen and new accounts. After making changes, restart your PC or sign out and back in. This ensures Paint and other apps load the new language resources correctly. Finally, open Paint to confirm menus and dialogues change to the new language. Test common commands like File, Edit, and View. If Paint still shows the old language, make sure Windows Update completed and try reinstalling Paint from Microsoft Store. This refreshes language resource files. As a key troubleshooting tip, return to Settings Time and Language and re-download the language pack or copy settings to the system accounts. Then reboot. If problems persist, create a new user to see if it's a profile-specific issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.